Hey there, future tech wizards! Ever wondered how math and artificial intelligence come together to create amazing things? Let's dive in! First off, what's the secret sauce behind AI algorithms? Believe it or not, it's good old-fashioned math. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are the building blocks that AI uses to process and analyze data. Now, let's connect this to your classroom. Teachers can introduce AI by showing how these simple math operations are used in programming and machine learning. Students, you can practice coding basic algorithms or dive into math games and puzzles to understand the logic behind AI decision-making. It's like solving a fun puzzle while learning how AI works. So, whether you love math or are curious about AI, remember, math is the language that powers AI, and understanding it can open up a world of possibilities in the exciting field of artificial intelligence. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows? Maybe you'll be the next math genius to revolutionize the world of AI. So, the next time you see a robot doing something amazing, remember it's powered by math, just like you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos.